Many older homes still have clay sewer pipes underground, and over time, roots commonly enter through the pipe joints. At Pipe Revive, we inspect and evaluate the full sewer line before recommending costly replacement. Using a high-speed rotary chain cleaner, roots, buildup, and debris are removed from the full pipe wall. If needed, hydro-jetting flushes the remaining dirt and debris, leaving the line clean and properly prepared. Then, SIPP Rehabilitation coats the inside of the existing clay pipe, helping restore protection and reduce future root intrusion. Before replacing your sewer line, contact Pipe Revive today.